I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Let's learn some color names. Red color, orange color, yellow color, blue color, green color, pink color, purple color, brown color. I for Indian. I for igloo. I is for island, surrounded by sea. J for jam. J for juice. J is for jam, you eat with your tea. K for kangaroo. K for key. K for koala, he's cute and he's brown. L for ladder. L for leaf. L is for lamb, he's prancing around. M for monkey. M for mouse. M is for money, it's best if you save. N for nail. N for nose. N is for numbers, let's count some today. O for octopus. O for orange. O is for olive, it's green and it's black. P for paint. P for popcorn. P is for plates, that you dry in a rack. I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.